Giggles and grapes.
Let's look at some good deeds which can be helpful for a lifetime.
We must respect religious freedom because this is one of the fundamental human rights.
Showing respect means being aware of our differences to understand one another. Everyone looks so happy in the picture. Let's bring this to reality. So juniors, always be respectful of people and beliefs. Modest dressing is always comfortable, empowering, and loved by Allah. Above all, it's beautiful, so juniors always try to dress modestly. If you will do good to others, then good things will happen to you. Isn't it great, juniors? Always be eager to do good. People will love you and so will Allah. Honesty is the best policy. If you will be honest, you will never have to lie. Lying is the base of all troubles, so juniors, be honest with yourself and others. E is for exercise. Exercise can keep you healthy. Your body is a gift from God, so you should take care of it. Staying active can also make you feel good, so juniors, exercise daily. Should have enough courage to speak and act right. Build confidence, overcome fear, face the unknown, do the right thing, set a good example. So juniors, be courageous. Ramadan fosters immense patience in us. By fasting from sunrise to sunset and dedicating extra hours to prayer and worship, we learn the meaning of self-discipline, the ability to get through our day without food and water, the commitment to guard our words despite being provoked. So remember, juniors, we can earn good deeds by showing patience. So much of Islam revolves around time. Muslims must be conscious of time in all that they do, particularly when it comes to prayers. Azan is a constant reminder. So remember, juniors, make a habit everyday praying on time. Say it with me, everyday praying on time. Showing kindness to others is a way of spreading love and unity in the society. Helping others can also benefit you by bringing you inner peace and elevating your mood. If you want to feel good, don't hesitate and show kindness to everyone around you. This Ramadan, keep showing kindness to others. A generous person is friendly, helpful, and willing to see the good qualities in someone or something. You can be generous in giving knowledge, giving a helping hand, or by sharing your things. It helps us understand our own sense of value and the contribution we can make to a world in which we all play a part. So juniors, practice being generous towards others. True forgiveness is to stop blaming or being mad at someone for something that person has done. If you forgive someone, you do not punish them. Forgiveness brings inner peace, so juniors, remember being forgiving. Gratitude is a positive emotion that involves being thankful and appreciative. We should be grateful for everything in life. Ramadan teaches us to be grateful for many things that often we forget to thank Allah for. Like food and water, a family, friends, and a lot more. So juniors, remember to be grateful. One of the best quality of a Muslim is being grateful.
Subscribe. subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.